ಓಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದು. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಯು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ಯೂರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೈತನ್ಯ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ and then just say Om, Om. All the gods in all energies will start coming and clinging towards you. You need not say Om Namah Shivaya ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಂ ಸೊ ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓಂ ಆ ಒಂದು ರೂಪ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಬುದ್ಧಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ನಾಮ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣ maximum you will see that particular force of divinity or that particular form of divinity coming, clinging to you. ಆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋ ಯಾರೋ ಪಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಾಡಸಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಂಗಿಂಗ್. ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ. ದಟ್ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ completely clinging to you just like a film. The film of consciousness clings to you. You don't bother about it. Whichever, that is what I do. That is the secret. Whichever temple I go, I see to it that just one pradakshana, you find so many devatas coming, unless and until the ego should be very less. First pradakshana, the ego, you make sure that ego is less. And you are now getting into the divine consciousness zone. Adikke moor pradakshana. Moorne pradakshana, that particular form of God will come and cling to you like a film. And then you will see that energy coming in you. Then already that awareness and the consciousness clings to you. Then the third pradakshana, then you will start getting that feeling of divinity. And the next pradakshana, in case you want to do it, then you are already you are coming into the divine zone. A divine zone alli your enlightenment starts happening. That the fourth pradakshana should let me remove my ego. Please remove this devata to remove my ego so that I'll understand you better with so much of clarity. You have seen how a film is clung to your car. A film ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? If you want to instead of allowing the sunlight, to prevent sunlight, then they have a film and they just rub the film with water or with soap and then allow it to dry. Then it clings. So that soap clings. That soap is called as the divine consciousness without ego. And when there is some ego on that film, that means there is a lot of ego inside your consciousness. One more pradakshana, then that ego will go off. You don't have only doubt, you have lot of self-doubt. The more your ego is, the more self-doubt you will have in life. Ego ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ. 1, 2, 3 pradakshana with these 3 levels, your consciousness is cleared. So there is so clarity in you. ಜಂಬ ಕಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ನೀವಾಗ, ನೀವು ತಗ್ಗಿ ನಡೀತೀರ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಹಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಈ ದೇವರು ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ದೇವರು ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀರ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಬಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಯು, that soap bubbles are like ego which is clinging to stop you from getting enlightened. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 4 ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ. ನಾನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಅದು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದೇವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದಾಗ 3 ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆನೋ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೋ ಹೊಗಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಡಿವಿನಿಟಿ ಕಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿನಿಟಿ ಕಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಮೋರ್ ಈಗೋ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈಗೋ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 2ನೇ ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ಡ್ ಈಗೋ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 3ನೇ ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣದಲ್ಲಿ ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ what people when they see me they get, because the glass is very clear, the glass of my consciousness is very clear. Now you make sure your glass of your consciousness is very clear. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗೋ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಗೋ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, just do that. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಪ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸು. ಈವನ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್, if you wipe your, even one simple glass, when you clean it, then your vision gets obstructed. When the glass is very clear, ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ clarity ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So your vision has a lot of clarity. Likewise, the vision of your heart, when it's filled with compassion, then all kinds of ego is eliminated. Then you have clarity of the vision of yourself. Then you will start seeing the highlights of you as well as others, and you will know this is how you have to help these people who are coming to you to get clarity in thinking, clarity in speech, and clarity by making them reduce the ego at different levels. That is how you become a guru, you become a leader. Now what is happening? You are now become a breeder, not a leader. You are breeding because of ego. Now you check yourself. Am I breeding? Am I a breeder? Or am I a leader? You check ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Because more the clarity, more the visible levels of your divine consciousness. Okay? For a disciple is to understand what should be the perspective which is formed because of our speech, because of all the compassion we have, not only for others, even for the animal variety, even for the animal consciousness, as well as enlightened beings' consciousness, as well as our own relatives, our near and dear ones. All this will give you the life's perspective. That means we are thrown open to gods, we are throwing open ourselves to the common people, we are also throwing open to our relatives, we are throwing open our heart. Everything all together has to be laced with an attitude of compassion. When there is compassion, then you will start understanding life's dharma or the life's perspective. Life's perspective is equivalent to dharma. What is dharma? It is understanding life's perspective with other consciousness of ourselves, of other people, and God's consciousness, along with all the enlightened beings' consciousness, and all this sum total put together will make us to understand dharma. And dharma is the life's perspective in this human consciousness. How compassionate we are. The more you hear and listen, more these parameters open itself out in that heart of us where the consciousness predominantly is plagued by ego. We don't understand it because ego affects us, affects our life's perspective. Now you understand this, what I have explained, just 2 lines. Then you will go and understand every moment in all of you is the triggering moment of your consciousness. When you understand this too, your attitude depends upon the altitude in that life's perspective. So what is life's perspective? Awareness, not self-pity. It is understanding piety. Piety means what? Divine consciousness. Sahane, talme, sauhardatana. Idella, it is called as piety. 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 And what does your Google tell all of you?
Quality of being religious or reverent.
Yes. The first factor is also important, and the second factor is extremely important because life's perspective is thrown open in your heart. Piety, sauharda, anukampa, compassion, able to listen patiently to others, whether he is talking right or wrong, because the human element's life is filled with ego, because he always understands another human because of his own ego, not because of others' ego. Piety makes you to understand others equivalently to you. Piety in the Kannada equivalent, you know? What is that in the idu? Hearing. Anukampana, talmena, all put together. Kannada equivalent. ಧರ್ಮನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಅಥವಾ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Life's perspective is because God is having dharmika chinte and dharmika anukampa, dharmika sahane, dharmika ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ದೇವರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೋದೇನೆ ಪಿಯಟಿ. This is how we understand God's principle to us. ಏನು ಅಂಥ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. You should understand this.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.